Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to lock your personal room on the Webex Meet application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. Tap on the home icon down below, which is the first option. After that, tap on the start meeting icon in the middle of the screen. Press the button start after you had selected your audio and turned on your camera if you want to. So press the button down below. Then you should click on the three dots icon at the bottom of the page. Scroll down to the options section and tap on lock room. So now, as you can see at the top of the page, this room is locked. So you will need a password to have access to it, or your invitees. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. I hope you found it helpful. If you did, consider subscribing and see you in the next video. Bye bye.